All right, I'm going to make a video from the student's perspective that shows you how to take your Essay 3 rough draft feedback from NROC and move it over to a Microsoft Word document and submit that document to Blackboard for your final draft. I have not rehearsed this. I do not have a script, so you are about to experience the real thing. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm in our Blackboard course and I am in the units section. I'm going to scroll down, off to a great start here. Okay, we'll come back to this note, but this link will be helpful. Right now I'm just going to go into Unit 3 because I received a notification that my instructor has posted my feedback on my second rough draft in NROC. So I'm going to click on that. Yeah, there's my notification. Review complete. Click here to begin. So I'm going to click on that. All right. Now, here's my rough draft. And I was not creative. I plagiarized the sample essay and my feedback is super lame, but I just wanted to go through the motions to show you how this works. So you'll have a number of edits from me and you'll need to go in and make your changes. Okay. And you'll have to deal with each one of these. Yep. Okay. Nice work on Essay 3, blah, blah, blah. Be sure to upload it. Okay. So now, before I submit my final draft, I'm going to highlight my whole essay, and then I'm going to hit Control C, okay? Now, I'm going to go back into Blackboard, and I'm going to find my units link, and I'm going to click on this document setup template, and it's going to automatically download it into my downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up and click enable editing. And I'm going to immediately save this file. I'm just going to save it to my desktop right now. And I'm going to save it as DT Essay 3 final draft. Okay. So, okay, what do I need to fix here? Well, first name, last name. I obviously need to put my real name. And then the next line is my teacher's name. I know it's getting into, it's kind of Twilight Zone. The course, great. The date, I'm going to change that to the September 16th. And then up here, this is called the document header. And if you double click, it'll take you into the document header. I'm going to double click on L name and change it to Thomas. I'm not touching anything else because this is auto-programmed to number my pages appropriately. And then I can double click and get out of there. And the title of my fake essay is Going Home. Now I'm going to highlight this fake paragraph and right click, and I'm going to pick the merge formatting option here. The keep text only can also work. Either one of these should work. Okay, and so now I have pasted the essay in. I'm going to delete this extra title, and it's perfect. I've got my page number with my last name, my .mla style heading, the title is centered, everything is strictly double spaced. See how it auto paginates it to page 2 here? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I've saved this. Now, if you're working on a computer that has a desktop version of Microsoft Word, this is all going to work smoothly. If you are using your online account, you're going to have an additional step. You're going to have to go to your portal and your Office 365. And then you'll have to go through your Microsoft Word account. And what you can do from here is you can upload a file, or you can create a new MLA document. This is quite different than the last time I've looked at this. Very interesting. Here we go. Upload and open. So I can go ahead and upload my final draft here. And now it lives online. Okay. You can open the template in Microsoft Word online. There are many options here. So right now I have this file, and it's both on my desktop of my computer, and now I've uploaded it to the cloud, so it's in my OneDrive. So if I go back into this Office 365 and then go into OneDrive, you'll see that my SA3 final draft has just appeared in my list of files. Okay, so lots of flexible options here between the desktop Word and the Word Online, but the bottom line is when you're ready, we're kind of done here, so I'm going to go ahead and submit my final draft through NROC, which is one step. And then right after that, I'm going back to Blackboard, going into Unit 3, and then I'm looking for my final draft upload link, okay? And I click on that. Yeah, so I was just checking that for a second. You have two ways to do this. If you're working with your desktop version of Word, you can click Browse My Computer, and you can select the file from wherever you have saved it, and you'll see it appear here. But another thing you can do, I'm going to remove that, is you can click Browse Cloud Storage, and you can click on your OneDrive account. It may ask you to sign in, which is okay. Always with this one. And then it's going to show me that file I just created, the final draft, and I can select it from there. So that's two different ways that you can post your final draft. I may try to make a more streamlined video, but for now I am going to post this as soon as possible for anybody who needs it. Also, don't forget, when you're done, be sure to click submit here at the bottom, and then it will come to me through Blackboard, and that's where I will be scoring your final drafts from Module 3 on out. But do not forget, you also should be posting your final draft in NROC, because we want to make sure that we have an accurate record of your progress in NROC as well. All right, I hope this was helpful. I'm staying under 10 minutes, which is a miracle. Please contact me with any questions that you have. All right, have a good day.